Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ritika and today I will be teaching you how to make some basic slime. Let's get on with it. Materials needed for basic slime is some glue, some activator, I'll be using some Tide, some food dye, a plastic bag, a utensil, I'm using a fork, I think it's just easier that way, and a bowl. Let's get started. First we have to add the glue. Next, I'm going to add the food dye. I think I'm going to make this slime blue. Just add 3 drops of this. Now mix it in with the fork or spoon or whatever you guys are using. Make sure it's completely mixed in. And if you don't like the color at the start, then you can add more food dye to make it the color you guys want. Okay. Now I'm going to be adding the activator. The tip for this is to add it slowly at a time, so only put in a little bit at a time. You can already see it is starting to form, almost. Just add a little bit at a time. Slime does take patience, so make sure you're doing this carefully and you don't want to hurry this process. You can see it's starting to form already. And you can add in as much glue as you want. It just depends on how big you want your slime to be. I'm gonna add in a tiny bit, little bit more. Only the littlest bit though, because we can tell it's already formed. Okay, mix it in with your hands. At first it may feel weird, but that's just because all of the ingredients are mixing in. Once you're done making your slime, you can put it in a baggie or box. And then after that, make sure to comment down below, subscribe, and give this a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye!